Need to identify mobile device models from a large phone number list? Device Model helps detect available device model information linked to phone numbers, allowing businesses to understand device distribution, segment mobile users, and prepare cleaner data before outreach or campaign planning. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available phone number verification and mobile detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign in to the NumberCheck platform. Before starting the detection task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the mobile phone category, locate Device Model and click Buy Now. Select the country or region that matches the phone numbers in your uploaded list. Choosing the correct country helps the system process the numbers using the appropriate country code and number format. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Make sure the numbers use a consistent format and match the selected country or region. Click Start Detection to begin detecting available device model information from the uploaded phone number list. After the detection task is completed, open the results page to review the task status and results summary. Review the valid results and check the available device model information identified from the phone number list. The exact result details may vary depending on the available detection data. Click Download to save the complete device model detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains available device model detection results for the uploaded phone numbers when detection data is available. These results can be used for device-based audience segmentation, customer database cleaning, contact list filtering, campaign preparation, and mobile marketing data analysis. Device model detection helps businesses better understand the device composition of their phone number lists before outreach or further targeting. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and phone number verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking device model results today.